Good day everyone, my name is Mia Jamala Fernandez and I will be discussing ethnicity. Ethnicity is an ethnic group refers to people who are closely related to each other through characteristics such as culture, language, and religion. Cultural diversity is important because our country workplaces and schools increasingly consist of various cultural, racial, and ethnic groups. So, ang ethnicity daw or ethnic group is isang pangkat kung saan nagkakakilala ang isa't isa based sa kanilang pinagsisharean na katangian, tradition, cultures, language, and marami pang iba. For example is pwedeng tukuyin ng mga tao ang kanilang lahi bilang African American or Black, Native American or Asian, ganon. Thank you, yun lang.
Good day everyone, I'm Eliza May P. Dumundon and I will going to discuss the cultural diversity. The term cultural diversity can also refer to having different cultures respect each other's differences. Cultural diversity supports the idea that every person can make a unique and positive contribution to the larger society. Ibig sabihin nito, ang pagkakaiba-iba ng kultura ay tungkol sa pagpapahalaga na ang lipunan ay binubuo ng maraming iba't ibang grupo na may iba't ibang interes, kasanayan, talento at pangangailangan. Nangangahulugan din ito na kinikilala mo na ang mga tao sa lipunan ay maaring magkaroon ng magkakaiba-ibang paniniwala sa relihiyon at oryentasyon sexual sa iyo. Cultural diversity, also known as multiculturalism, is a group of diverse individuals from different cultures or society. Usually, cultural diversity takes into account language, religion, race, sexual orientation, gender, age, and ethnicity. The trend is a growth of stereotyping and prejudices. This can be hard to avoid when so many different cultures come together in a work environment. For example, many of Sea Transport's executives were against hiring female engineers. Many executives were from the old school and thought that the female engineers would not be as dependable due to possible maternity breaks. Why is cultural diversity so important? Just because our culture is what shapes us. It shapes our behavior and our identity. Culture is our way of living. It refers to the shared language, beliefs, values, norms, behaviors, and material objects that are passed down from one generation to the next. Cultural diversity is a good thing because our country workplaces and schools increasingly consist of various cultural, racial, and ethnic groups. We can learn from one another, but first, we must have a level of understanding about each other. Just because learning about other cultures help us understand different perspectives within the world in which we live. It helps dispel negative stereotypes and personal biases about different groups. In addition, cultural diversity helps us recognize and respect ways of being that are not necessarily our own, so that as we interact with others, we can build bridges to trust, respect, and understanding across cultures. Furthermore, this diversity makes our country a more interesting place to live in, as people from diverse cultures contribute language skills, new ways of thinking, new knowledge, and different experiences.
So good day everyone, my name is Jamaica De Guzman. So my topic for today is cultural diversity important. So what is cultural diversity? It is help dispel negative stereotype and personal biases about different group. In addition, cultural diversity help us recognize and respect way of beings that are not necessarily our own, so that as we interact with others, we can build bridge to trust, respect, and understanding across culture. The sharing of culture information allow group of humans to interact and cooperate effectively. So, it is essential that some process act to limit diversity. If such process did not exist, human societies could not function as they do. Language and dialect are the common example shared culture and formation. Cultural diversity is important because our country, workplace, and school increasingly consist of variant cultural, racial, and ethnic groups. We can learn from one another, but first we must have a level of understanding about each other to facilitate collaboration and operation. So, cultural diversity, kailangan nating magkaroon ng respect to other culture kasi lahat naman we have a different culture na nasasabi. So, kung kunwari, iba yung paniniwala nila sa ganito, and iba rin paniniwala mo, respect each other, wag maging bias. So, yun lang. Thank you, and God bless.
Hello and good day everyone, my name is Brian Ortiz. Diversity refers to the attributes that people use to confirm themselves with respect to others. That person is different from me. It means every person are different, every person are unique. So don't compare yourself to them because you have a thing that they don't have and they have a thing that you don't have. As I say, every person are different, every person are unique. So the one thing that you need to do is to show yourself of what and who you are. That it's. Thank you.